This new car is not to be believed. It's quite spectacular.
It's good to see some familiar faces here and to show the world what Aston Martin means.
So when I think of Aston Martin, I always think of luxury, timeless, sort of from the Vanquish. I'm thinking sexy.
You look at Aston Martin and you just see slickness. So yeah, man, it's good to be here with them today.
We're here in Venice and we're going to unveil the brand new Aston Martin Vanquish. It really is a magical arena, and I think just to have Vanquish in the Arsenal is a perfect fit. It is a piece of sculpture, it's a piece of automotive art.
It's the brand new 12-cylinder, 830 horsepower, two-seater, and marvelous, fantastic design, delivering compared to the past, impressive driving dynamics, and really an adrenaline way of driving the car.
So when you are behind the wheel of an Aston Martin, you know that it's an Aston Martin. What we will see tonight is a continuation of that.
I think it's going to be an incredible machine to be behind the wheel of. An evolution of technology.